आज हम कैलकुलस में डेफिनेट इंटीग्रेशन में ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 आपको बताने जा रहे हैं। ये अपर लिमिट 1 है, लोअर लिमिट 0 है। 6x माइनस 5dx होल डिवाइडेड बाय 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 5x प्लस 7 का होल स्क्वायर है। ये डेफिनेट इंटीग्रेशन का इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। तो ये कैसे हम सॉल्व करेंगे, इसका सॉल्यूशन हम कैसे तैयार करेंगे, इसके लिए हम लेट करते हैं 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 5x प्लस 7 इक्वल टू z मानते हैं। डिनोमिनेटर को हम z मानते हैं और इसको डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं। डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे 3 रहेगा, x स्क्वायर का 2x होता है, 5 रहेगा, x का 1, 7 का 0 और इधर हम dx लगाते हैं और इधर dz, z का डिफरेंशिएशन dz होगा। अब फिर हम आगे बढ़ते हैं, ये लिखते हैं 6x माइनस 5 dx इक्वल टू dz। अब हम डिफरेंशिएट जब कर देते हैं, then we get 6x minus 5 dx equal to dz. We get the value of the numerator. But in the definite integration, when we suppose anything, upper limit and lower limit both are changed. Now we write down if x is equal to 1, we put in z equal to 3 into 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 7 equal to 3 minus 5 plus 7 equal to 10 minus 5 equal to 5. This will be the upper limit. If x is equal to 0, we get lower limit. We substitute the value of x is equal to 0 in this. Z is equal to 3 into 0 square minus 5 into 0 plus 7. It becomes 0 minus 0 plus 7 is equal to 7. Z is equal to 7. This will be the lower limit. This will be the upper limit. Now we substitute in the integration. Now upper limit becomes 5 and lower limit becomes 7. Minus 5 dx equal to dz. And we have already supposed 3x square minus 5x plus 7 equal to z. It becomes z square. Now we write down upper limit, lower limit. Z is written down at the place of numerator. The power of z is minus 2, that becomes minus 2. Now integration of z minus 2 will be 1 is added and minus 1 is divided. Upper limit is written down here, lower limit is written down here. Now we get z minus 1, ये upper limit, lower limit, minus 1, 1 by z, 5, 7. Now we get here 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7. It becomes minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 7. Taking LCM, we get minus 7 plus 5 is equal to minus 2 by 35. This is the final result. The value of this integration, where upper limit is given 1, lower limit is 0, 6x minus 5 dx whole divided by 3x square minus 5x plus 7 whole square. We suppose denominator is equal to z. Differentiating, we get the value of numerator and the upper limit and lower limit both are changed. Putting the value of x is equal to 1, upper limit we get z is equal to 5. We put x is equal to 0, we get z is equal to 7. This is the lower limit. This is the upper limit. Putting the lower limit and upper limit, we get the integration. This will be the final value of integration. In the definite integration, The next question is upper limit 1, lower limit 0, x cube under root 1 plus 3x to the power 4 dx. We have to integrate this question. First of all, we suppose 1 plus 3x to the power 4 is equal to z square. Always the material which is inside the root, under the root, we always suppose z square. Now differentiating both sides, differentiation of 1 is 0, the differentiation of x 4 is 4x cube, and we write down here dx. Differentiation of z square becomes 2z dz. Now it becomes 12x square dx is equal to 2z dz. Now it becomes 12x cube. Now x cube dx is equal to 2z dz divided by 12. Therefore, we get finally x cube dx is equal to z dz by 6. Now, in the definite integration, when we suppose anything, upper limit and lower limit both are changed. We write down if x is equal to 1, z square is equal to 1 plus 3 into 1 to the power 4 is equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Therefore, z is equal to 2. And if x is equal to 0, z square is equal to 1 plus 3 into 0 to the power 4. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, z is equal to 1. Now, integration is equal to, now upper limit becomes here 2, lower limit becomes 1. And we write down 1 plus 3 to the power x4 and x cube dx we write down together. Now, we proven the value of 1 plus 3x to the power 4 has been supposed to the z square, and after the differentiation, the value of x cube dx we have got here z dz by 6. Now, we write down 2, 1 and square root of z square becomes z. This is z dz by 6. Now it becomes 2, 1 z square dz by 6. Integration of z square becomes z cube. Z cube 3 divided by, it becomes 18. Upper limit is written down here, lower limit is written down here. Now we substitute the value of upper limit and lower limit. It becomes 2 to the power cube, 1 to the power cube by 18 is equal to 7 by 18. This will be the final result of this question. This is the final result.